86 pounds lighter, 13% smaller. All-process engine-driven welder. Durable digital display. Make weld parameter setup fast, easy, and accurate with auto set. The smoothest arc with fully customizable weld settings, including dynamic dig and DC pulsed TIG. Lower fuel costs, less noise with Trailblazer exclusive advanced auto speed. 12,000 watts of clean auxiliary power. No arc interference, improved arc quality, and no tool interruption. Get the voltage you set even on longer lead lengths with cable length compensation and weld lead calibration. Easily connect your spool gun for aluminum jobs. Add these options to your Trailblazer. Excel Power provides power at idle speeds. Put the power of the front panel in your hand with a WIC remote. No need for a standalone charger. Polarity reversing option allows switching polarity when changing processes without wasting time switching cables. Easily plan maintenance downtime with customizable service intervals and alert timers. Monitor usage by job or machine hours by process. Legendary performance. More capabilities, better weld quality, industry-exclusive benefits.